In this video, we are going to learn how we can work with PDFs in Copilot. So we will learn how you can search through the PDF document, summarize the key points. You can generate some key points, list down the headings, etc. So you can do a lot of work with the PDF documents. Let's say I have this article that also I generated with the Copilot. So this is the article, right? Now I want to summarize it in bullet points, let's say. So what I'll do is just open this in the Edge browser, and here I will use the Copilot feature from here. Now I can use the chat feature, and if you want to generate key insights from this document or to generate a summary document, you can just click directly from here, which is default suggestions in the chat. So let's select this. It will search through the document and then generate the summary. So as we can see that it has generated a summary of this. You can directly export this as a PDF or a Word document as well. So that's awesome. And if I want to just write down headings, let's see, it will generate the heading names only. So it's awesome that it is listing down all the headings, and it identified basically about all the document, and you can extract some specific information. So you don't have to do it manually. You can just use the Copilot to do all of these things. So in this way, guys, we can easily work on PDF. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.